everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change gender on Lyft. If you want to change your gender on your Lyft application, then keep watching the video till the end. First of all, open the Lyft application from your mobile device and also make sure to log into your account. Once you're signed into your account, from the main homepage, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. This will then open up the expanded option. Simply tap on View Profile at the top of the screen. This will now open up your profile page where you'll need to tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner. This will now open up the Edit Info option where you will need to tap on Gender. If you've not selected your gender yet, you can now do it by selecting your gender from the list. If you want to change to a different gender, make sure you make a change over here and click Save. Tap on the little box at the bottom to certify that the information is true and genuine and tap on Submit. Soon after you hit Submit, you will be able to change your gender on Lyft. So that is how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.